Good morning, Bay Area. This is Lori Shepard from Caltrans District 4 coming at you on a beautiful day in San Francisco. And if you look behind me, we are at the top of the US 101 ramp, connector ramp they've been working on all night. Now look at all of the crew that's behind this and the material. They've been re-drilling and rebuilding rebar, and all of the damaged barriers have been removed. The crew is on schedule, and they're making the ramp more efficient and safe. They're making excellent progress. It's a beautiful day here in San Francisco. Come on down, but leave your car and take public transportation. If you have any questions at all, you can visit us at sfhighwayprojects.com. And we, more than anything, we want you to have a great day. This is Lori Shepard from Caltrans District 4. Take care.